I'm going to show you how to change email address in Canva. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. You have to go to the setting option, which is at the right section. Tap in settings, and here are different options of your account. There are name, email address. So this is where you can change the email address. You have to simply tap in edit option, and it says before you make change to your account, you need to enter the code we've sent to your dedicated email address. So simply tap in the code if you get the code, and simply tap in continue, and by this you can follow the procedure, and this is how you change email address in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.